Pasteur, Curie, Salk. These healthcare pioneers changed and saved lives. Nightingale, Barnard. They changed medical practice and they changed the world, but the fight against disease wages on. Tonight, we honor a new generation of pioneers, those changing the way we live. They are our unsung heroes. You may not know them, you may not recognize their faces, but they work each and every day in clinics and labs, researching cancer, diabetes and heart disease that affect millions of lives. They're also raising awareness against AIDS, obesity, and lung disease, as well as drug abuse, infant health, and patient access to health care. Tonight, meet those making history, those saving lives. The Discovery Health Channel Medical Honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, from historic DAR Constitution Hall in Washington, D.C., welcome to the Discovery Health Channel Medical Honors, paying tribute to the experts and everyday health professionals who've dedicated their lives to improving ours. Tonight's presenters, the Surgeon General of the United States, Dr. Richard Carmona, Dr. Ben Carson, Dr. C. Everett Koop, Ms. Yvette Freeman, Dr. David Kessler, Dr. Drew Pinsky, Mr. Christopher Reed, Dr. Louis Sullivan, Ms. Marlo Thomas, the Secretary of Health and Human Services, the Honorable Tommy Thompson, and the National Institutes of Health Director, Dr. Elias Zerhouni. Please welcome the host of Discovery Health Channel Medical Honors, the star of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and live with Regis and Kelly, Mr. Regis Philbin.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. Nice to be with you. It's an honor to be here tonight in this beautiful Constitution Hall, just blocks away from the White House, the Congress, and the National Academy of Sciences, all places that help fund and support the medical breakthroughs our honorees bring all of us. These are the people who have saved so many lives and are dedicating their lives to saving even more. Each of the Discovery Health Channel's partner organizations has nominated an individual to receive this honor tonight. Discovery Health Channel has gathered leaders in the medical community to review and approve the criteria and the honor selection established by each partner organization to ensure consistency across all selections. Tonight's program honors the medical professionals who warn us, who help us, and who cure us. We salute those researchers making our lives richer, the quiet heroes who spend their lives in a lab, racing to kill a cancer, cure AIDS, and improve all of our lives. These are important people, so let's get started. There are few people anywhere who know the frustration in finding and getting new treatments as an ex-presenter, but he's found the strength to push and prod the medical community not to give up on people like him. He's an inspiration to patients with spinal injuries and to all of us, and he's here to present our next honoree. Ladies and gentlemen, via videotape, Mr. Christopher Reed.
When you're seriously injured or sick, you just pray that someone will find a miracle cure. Well, that prayer is shared by an estimated 80,000 people every year in the US and Canada alone. They're diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. 80,000 people each and every year. That's a staggering number, but for tens of thousands with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, the miracle came in the form of a new drug called Rituxan. It's an antibody engineered to attack only cancer cells. Did you know that in the United States it takes an average of 7 years to get a new drug through the FDA? but patients needed it sooner. And Dr. Antonio Grillo-Lopez made sure that they got it. Dr. Grillo-Lopez cut the approval process in half. It was simply amazing. And now Rituxan is one of the most widely used anti-cancer drugs in the world. And it's saving lives each and every day. And it's for this reason that we honor Dr. Grillo-Lopez, a true champion and a hero in the fight to cure cancer. Congratulations.
Discovery Health Channel Medical Honor salutes Dr. Antonio Grillo-Lopez. A hero in the fight against non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, he broke barriers by proving the antibody drug Rituxan could treat this cancer.
I had only had 5 months to live. The disease I had was lymphoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. He gave me a fighting chance.
Dr. Grillo-Lopez pioneered new systems for drug approval and helped uncover an entirely new kind of cancer treatment.
Handing over Rituxan to Antonio is the best thing that could happen to this drug.
And I'm very proud to say that Rituxan and the work that we did opened the floodgates for more and more research.
Rituxan was the first antibody for the treatment of cancer approved by the FDA. To date, over 500,000 people have been treated.
6, 7 years ago, I didn't plan on being here. Now I can have a lot of fun with the kids. I enjoy seeing them grow up in life now.
Those patients today have a 15 to 20% higher probability of a cure.
I took the Rituxan and it's totally gone. It's not remissed, it's gone.
So it's a tremendous satisfaction to see that and to have been part of that.
Discovery Health Channel Medical Honor celebrates the work of Dr. Antonio Grillo-Lopez, honored by the Biotechnology Industry Organization.
Please welcome Biotechnology Industry Organization's nominee and our next Discovery Health Channel Medical Honoree, Dr. Antonio Grillo-Lopez.
I'd like to thank the Discovery Health Channel and the Biotechnology Industry Organization for this award and recognize those who contributed significantly to my career. My alma mater, the University of Puerto Rico, my mentor, Professor Norman Maldonado, my collaborators in pharmaceutical industry and academia, my wife, Maria, for her love and untiring support, my admiration and gratitude to all cancer patients selflessly participating in clinical trials, advancing cancer research and benefiting future patients. I'm honored to receive this award. Thank you.
Antonio, in his life and work, I would say he is a caring individual for the people that he works with, for his family, for his friends, and equally well for the patients that he treats. He connects himself both with the physicians that treat as well as with the patients. You see that through his work, the level of commitment, dedication, energy that he invests in it, the emotions that he expresses, all of them nothing but a caring aspects of Antonio's.